Now available at Guaranteed Motors. It's very well presented, well prepared Landrover Discovery Sport. It's a 2-litre TDI Automatic. And we've got power tailgate. Bags of room in the boot. All-round sensors. Huge leg room in the rear as well. Okay, so we've got 47,827 miles on the clock. Full touchscreen media and sat-nav system. We've got dual zone climate control with electrically heated front screen. Standard sort of off-road capability. We have menu controls and media controls, cruise control with a speed limiter, paddle shift gears. So it's a step automatic. DAB, AM, FM and auxiliary, and also media input, heated leather seats, and electric folding mirrors. It's just been serviced, just had its RAC checks done, and as with all cars at Guaranteed Motors, you get 6 months RAC warranty, 12 months breakdown cover and 82-point RAC check on every vehicle. So that's a lot of car for that money. One of the cheapest in the country. Call today.